teaching position at our school. Can you briefly tell us about your educational background and teaching experience?
I believe collaboration between teachers, students, and parents is crucial for student success. I communicate regularly with parents through individual meetings, email, and parent-teacher conference. I also welcome their feedback and work together to support student academic and socio-emotional development.
What interests you in becoming a teacher at our school?
Finally, I hope to become degree in education with a specialization in relevant subject. Along with this for education, I have number of years of teaching experience in school, such as school names where I gained valuable teaching experience.
How do you manage a classroom with diverse academic and behavioral needs?
Yes, I'd like to learn more about the extracurricular programs offered at this school and the role of teacher in supporting those activities.
How do you assist students' progress?
I believe in a differentiated approach to meet the individual needs of each student. I ask a variety of teaching strategies and resources tailored to student learning styles and comprehension level. Additional, I build positive relationship with students to create an inclusive and supportive learning environment.
What's your approach to working with parents or guardians?
I ask a round of assessment tools including test, project, and assessment designed to cover various aspects of learning. Additional, I regularly conduct formative monitoring and provide feedback to students to help them improve their understanding and performance.
Thank you for your responses. Do you have any question for me?
I am drawn to this reputation for providing quality education and its focus on holistic student development. I believe the values and vision of this school align with my educational philosophy, and I am excited to contribute to achieving those goals.